I do track and field. I play volleyball as well. I compete in track and heptathlon and in triple jump, so I do almost everything on the track. When my mom was pregnant with me, she started receiving chiropractic care, so I did as well. But as soon as I was born, any baby is able to be adjusted, so she started doing cranial work as soon as I came out of the womb. Without my mom as a chiropractor, I would definitely not be at the level that I am right now, athletically, academically, just in any part of my performance or in my body at all. She's incredible, and her work improves my athletics and my academics and just every day my total body feeling. A few months ago when I was in season doing track, we have practices every day and training is pretty intense. And I'd come home sometimes and my knees would be hurting or my back would be hurting, and one time I came home and my knee was so locked up and tight that I could barely even run or jump. And I went into my mom upstairs at a little table and she adjusted it, realigned my body, realigned my knee, and the next day I was back in practice. Peak performance, it was awesome. My mom knows what she's doing. She can help them because she's a mom. She's been out on the track and she's been in high performance situations, and she's always out on the track with us or on any competition field, on the soccer field with my brother. So she has real world experience, and especially she can help high schoolers and athletes because her kids are those kinds of people, and so she knows what she's doing more than another chiropractor would in athletics and with high schoolers or any kind of children. My mom definitely cares about her patients more than other chiropractors, and just to start out, the reason she became a chiropractor is because she hurt her back herself, so she knows what it's like to be in that kind of pain, and she knows what she needs to do to make that better. And not only does she care about your back and your body, but also your full health. I have orthotics, we take vitamins every night. If you're looking to be the most healthy, productive person you can be, then seeing my mom is the best thing you can do. There's a lot of things you can do to become a better athlete, and I've seen people down in the training room at my school who are on ice or getting massages for injuries, and that's great. But the only problem is that I found with that is it's only preventative for a little bit, and you're covering up something that's much more of a problem and has a deeper root. And chiropractic for me has shown me that yes, massages are good and ice is good, but it needs to go along with something more permanent. And rather than just patching the problem, chiropractic can fix it. Just take the example of running. Say you're running down the track and your right leg is shorter than your left leg. You're obviously not going to be running as fast as you possibly can because you're going to be off-centered. You're not going to be balanced, and you're going to be more prone to injury because your right leg will be hitting the ground more than your left leg, and you're going to be off-centered, so even your hips will be more prone to injury as well as your knees. So what chiropractic does is realigns your entire body and makes it so that you're balanced and equal, and that you have the chance to practice well and perform at your peak level. Absolutely, I refer my friends to my mom. I care about my friends, and I want them to have the best performance they can on the field, and in the classroom, and everywhere. So I refer them to someone who can actually help them. So I do.